Hello, my name is Max Moreland, and in this video I will be going over the new TMOSS library template for PointMan. So TMOSS is a new data dictionary template added into PointMan for departments of transportation and their clients. TMOSS is comprised of specific features with specific identifying codes that will allow for a more standardized exporting and importing experience within PointMan. First things first, gotta log in. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new project by clicking the New button in the bottom right corner. From here, I will give it a name and then select the Data Dictionary dropdown and select TMOSS. Then I will select OK, and this will now create a project with the TMOSS Data Dictionary attached to it. From here, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to create a new point with the TMOSS features by selecting the New button in the top right corner and then selecting a point feature like Marker Post. From here, I can add a note, select OK, and once the feature goes up on the map, it can be added in just like any normal PointMan feature. I'll select Finish. And now that feature is in PointMan with all of its TMOSS details inside. Next, I will be showing how to attach a line with the TMOSS features. So I'll select New again. I'll select a new component with a line, like the right-of-way miscellaneous. Add a note to it, and select OK. And when creating a line, something of note is that lines have extra codes attached to them. I will select the Code button in the left side of the screen, select Begin Curve to denote the beginning of my live, select OK, and then I will add a point. I will select Code again, select Joint Point, select OK, add a final line, select Code, and select End Curve. Then I'll select Finished, and now this line is in PointMan with all of these codes attached. You can find them by hitting the Pedigree button in the bottom of the screen. This helps denote the different points on the line and the order in which the line should follow. Thank you and have a great day.
To learn more about PointMan, visit pointman.com. And don't worry, dig happy.